Hello dear students, welcome to Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. This is Jigyasha Prajapati presenting here class 3rd Computer Science video lectures of chapter 7 working with Paint. Students, Paint is the graphics software which we use to draw and coloring the pictures on the computer. Okay. So students, in this chapter we are going to cover up these topics. First is starting the Paint, components of Paint window, creating shapes, coloring an image and selecting an image. So students, you have to open your computer book at page number 69. Now we will start with our first topic, which is starting the Paint on your computer. To start the Paint program, click on the start button. Student, this is your start button. Then the all programs window will appear on your screen. Here you have to click on the accessories option, then you have to click on the Paint. And here students, you can see this is your Paint option. When you click on this Paint option, then the Paint window will appear on your computer screen. Okay. Then the following Paint window appears on the monitor screen. Now students, we will see the component of the Paint window. Okay. Students, here you can see this is your Paint window interface. Okay. In this interface, we have different components of the Paint window. The first component we have title bar. In this title bar, you can see the name of the image. Okay. Now on this title bar, we have the quick access toolbar. In the quick access toolbar, we have commonly used command. Now in this title bar, we also have three buttons, which is minimize button, maximize button and the close button. We use minimize button to hide the Paint window from the computer screen, and then we use the maximize button to enlarge the Paint window. Then we have close button to close the Paint program from your computer. Okay. Now we will see the next component of this window. Here we have tabs. Student, this window has two tabs, home tab and view tab. Next component we have Paint button. In this button we have different options for the images, like we have new, open, save and save as option in this button. Now the next component we have ribbon. Students, when you click on any tab in this window, then a ribbon appear, and each ribbon is a set of different commands, and these commands are organized into the groups. Here you can see student, tools group, shapes group, colors group. So ribbon is always organized, or we can say divide into the groups. Next we have canvas. Student, you can see this is the white area of this Paint window. Here you can draw and coloring your picture. Okay. So this white area is known as canvas. Okay. Now we will switch to next topic, creating shapes. The various shapes like rectangle, oval, triangle, line, polygon, rounded rectangle, etc. available under the home ribbon. Students, under the home ribbon we have different shapes. Here you can see different shapes available. We have line, we have oval, rectangle, square, rounded rectangle, triangle. So we have different shapes in the Paint window. To draw a shape, for example, we have to draw oval on this window. Use the following steps. The first step is bring the cursor on the oval shape and click on it. Student, this is your oval shape. We have to click on it. Next step, click the color 1. In the third step, select any color from the colors group. Let's see student. Here you can see this is your Paint window, and here we have shapes group. In this we have to click on this oval shape, then we have to click on the color 1. Then we have to choose a color for our oval from this colors group. Okay, in the step 3. Now we will see the step 4. Bring the cursor on the canvas. Now press and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer to draw the shape. Students, now we have to draw a shape using the mouse. Okay. After drawing the image, release the mouse button. Then you can see your image has been drawn on your canvas. Okay students. So here you can see your oval has been drawn on your Paint window. Now the next topic is coloring an image. So students, now we will see how to color an image in the Paint window. The fill with color tool. Students, here you can see this is your fill with color tool. Fills color in the closed image. You can only fill the color in the closed figure or closed images. The steps to use this tool are as follows. Our first step is draw any closed shape, like we have draw oval, which is a closed shape, on the canvas. Next step, click the fill with color tool. Student, you can see this is the icon of fill with color tool. Next step third, click on any color to select. Now we have to choose any color that we want to fill in our image. Next, in the step 4, we have to bring the cursor on the image and press left mouse button to fill the color. Let's see students. Here you can see this is our paint window, and here I have already draw a oval shape in the canvas. Now I want to fill color in it. So the first step is we have to click on this figure, then we have to click on this fill with color tool. This is your fill with color tool, and now in the third step we have to choose a color for this image, okay, that we want to fill in this image. Now we have to choose the color, then we have to click inside this image, then the color will be filled inside this image, okay students. So this is the way to coloring an image in the paint window. Now we will switch to the next topic, which is selecting an image. So students, now we will see how to select an image in the paint window. Selection tools are used to select the images. So to select any image, we have to use the selection tools. We need to select an image if we want to make some modifications, like we want to copy an image, we want to move an image, or we want to resize an image, then we have to use the selection tools. MS Paint provide two types of selection tools as listed below. So students, MS Paint provide two types of selection tools. First we have rectangular selection, next we have free form selection. So we will see the first rectangular selection. This selects rectangular area of your drawings. Students, if you want to select the rectangular part of your drawing, then we have to click on this rectangular selection. And next we have free form selection. Students, if you want to select a free part, or we can say a irregular area of your drawing, then we have to use this free form selection. This selects irregular area of your drawing, okay students. Now we will see the steps how to select an image in the paint window. The steps are: first step, click the drop down arrow of the select tool. A list of options appears on your paint window, okay. Now in the step 2, click the rectangular selection, or you can click on the free form selection tool, okay. So you have to click on the any option. Then in the step 3, press left button of mouse and drag the mouse over the area which you want to select. So now using the mouse you have to select an area of the image. Release the mouse button once you are satisfied. Students, once you have select the area that you want to select from the drawing or the image, then you can release the mouse button. The following are the samples of selections. Here students, you can see this is my image, and here I have done a rectangular selection for the image, and here I have done the free form selection for my image, okay. So here you can see this is the free form selection, and here you can see this is the rectangular shape selection, okay. Now we will see the practical of these topics one by one. Students, for the practical, first we have to start the Paint program in your computer. For this, first we will click on the start button. This is your start button, click on it. Then various menus appears on your screen. Here we have to click on the paint window, then this window will appear on your screen, okay. Here we have different tabs, home tab and view tab. We have white area which is known as canvas. We have title bar in this window, okay, and we have various commands that we will use in this practical. Let us start students. Students, first we will see how to create shapes in this paint window. For this we have to go in the shapes group. This is your shapes groups, and here we have different shapes. First we will select our shape. I have selected here oval shape. Then I will select the color for the oval shape. So I have to click on color 1. Now I will choose a color. Here I have chosen green color. So here you can see the color 1 is green now. Now we will start drawing our shape on this canvas using the mouse. By pressing the left button you can create your shape here, okay. Here I have drawn oval shape on the canvas with the green color. Now we will see how to fill color in the closed shape. For this we have to click on the fill with color tool. This is your fill with color tool. Now we will choose color for this. Here we will select red color. Here you can see the color one is red now. Now we will click inside the closed shape. Okay, this is your closed shape. Click here, and here you can see, student, the red color has been filled inside your closed shape, which is oval. Okay students, now we will see our next practical. Here now we will insert an image in this paint window. This is my image on the desktop. I will drag this image and drop inside the paint window. This is your image. Now I will increase the size of document area, which is the canvas. Now here we will see our next practical, which is selection tool. Students, paint window provide two selection tools, which is rectangular tool, rectangular selection, and the free form selection. Here you can see this is your rectangular selection and free form selection. Okay, so first we will see how to select an rectangular area on the image. So first we have to click on this rectangular selection tool. Click on it. Then you can choose any area of your image which is rectangular in shape. Okay, so this is your rectangular selection tool. Now we will see our next selection tool, which is free form selection. Okay, so using the mouse left button you can select any area of your image. Okay, so this is your free form selection tool. You can choose any area of your image by using these two tools provided by the paint window. So student, these are the practicals of the topic that we have seen today. Students, I hope you have understood all the topic that we have seen today and the practical of these topic. Thank you students, have a nice day.